In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and use appointments on your GoDaddy website in just a few minutes. If you've been looking for a simple way to let visitors schedule with you directly, this tutorial is for you. First, head over to godaddy.com and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the Products section. This is where all of your websites and tools are listed. Find the website you want to edit and click on it. From there, select Edit Website. This will open up the GoDaddy Website Builder, your workspace for adding new features and customizing your site. Now it's time to add the scheduling tool. Click on Add section, then in the search bar type Online Appointments. This will filter the options so you can quickly find the scheduling feature. When you see it, click Online Appointments, then hit Add. Just like that, the appointment booking system is built right into your site. From here, you can customize the details, such as services offered, available time slots, and confirmation settings. Once set up, visitors can book with you directly through your website. This is perfect for service-based businesses like salons, consultants, coaches, or anyone who relies on scheduling. It not only saves you time, but also creates a smooth, professional experience for your customers. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added an appointment booking feature to your GoDaddy website. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips to enhance your site. Happy website building!